Where was Lord Sri Ram born? A. Ayodhya, B. Mithila, C. Kashi. Correct answer is A. Ayodhya. Which country is known as the land of roses? A. Bulgaria, B. India, C. France. Correct answer is A. Bulgaria. Which ruler imprisoned his own father? A. Akbar, B. Aurangzeb, C. Shah Jahan. Correct answer is B. Aurangzeb. Where is the world's largest airport located? A. Beijing, China, B. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, C. Dubai, UAE. Correct answer is B. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Which country is called Mini India? A. Nepal, B. Mauritius, C. Sri Lanka. Correct answer is B. Mauritius. What was the old name of Iceland? A. Thule, B. Greenland, C. Norway. Correct answer is A. Thule. In which state is Mangala oil found? A. Rajasthan, B. Assam, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. What is mixed with oil to make soap? A. Salt, B. Alkali, caustic soda, C. Lime. Correct answer is B. Alkali, caustic soda. Where is the largest hospital in India built? A. Delhi, B. Jaipur, C. Patna. Correct answer is C. Patna. Where is the 9-day fight hut located? A. Delhi, B. Gwalior, C. Lucknow. Correct answer is A. Delhi. Drinking excess water damages which organ? A. Heart, B. Kidney, C. Kidneys. Correct answer is B. Kidney. Where is the Suez Canal located? A. Egypt, B. Iran, C. Iraq. Correct answer is A. Egypt. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi die? A. 1947, B. 1948, C. 1950. Correct answer is B. 1948. Over which river is the longest road bridge built? A. Ganga River, B. Brahmaputra River, C. Godavari River. Correct answer is A. Ganga River. Where is the largest lake in India located? A. Rajasthan, B. Odisha, C. Jammu and Kashmir. Correct answer is C. Jammu and Kashmir. Which is the most populated state in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Where are the most silk sarees produced? A. Varanasi, B. Mysore, C. Kolkata. Correct answer is A. Varanasi. Which is the tree that we cannot climb? A. Banana, B. Mango, C. Coconut. Correct answer is A. Banana. Did Muslim rulers engrave the image of goddess Lakshmi on coins? A. Yes, B. No, C. Sometimes. Correct answer is A. Yes. Where is the largest zoo in India located? A. Hyderabad, B. Kolkata, C. Chennai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata.